Public.com Review 2025. Is this the best investing app for beginners? If you're new to investing and looking for an easy way to start, Public.com might catch your eye. But in 2025, is it really the best app for beginners? Let's dive in. Most people get this wrong by thinking Public.com is just another stock trading app. The surprising truth is that it combines investing with a social experience, allowing users to follow other investors, discuss strategies, and even see curated portfolios. This makes it appealing for beginners who want guidance and community support. The pros are clear. Public.com offers commission-free stock and ETF trading, fractional shares, and no account minimums, making investing accessible. The app emphasizes transparency and education, providing helpful guides and insights for novice investors. Its social feed allows you to learn from experienced users, which can boost confidence in your investment decisions. However, there are cons. The social aspect can encourage following trends rather than research, which carries risks. Certain advanced investing tools are limited compared to traditional brokerages. Additionally, not all stocks or ETFs are available, and international investing options are restricted. In conclusion, Public.com in 2025 is an excellent starting point for beginners who want an engaging, community-driven approach to investing. It's intuitive, educational, and accessible, but users should balance social insights with their own research to avoid impulsive decisions. For first-time investors looking for a simple yet interactive platform, Public.com is definitely worth exploring.